Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at ChicnScratch, and this is the project we're making today. And this is week 10 of the 12 weeks of Halloween. So these little treat holders stand up just like that. This one's got like a really heavy Reese's. This has got peanut M&Ms. Same thing for this one. Okay, this is one of my go-to projects when it's down to the last minute and I need a really quick project for Halloween. I've made these lots of times in lots of different colors. So what you need is a piece of designer series paper or cardstock. So you can see on this one I used basic black cardstock. For these two I just used designer series paper, and this measures 8.5 by 2 3/4. We're gonna be making this one, so I'm gonna use the Orchid Oasis cardstock for this deckled circle. What is that called? Decorative circle. And then some basic white for our stamping. And then here's my little snack size. I think it's called fun size M&Ms. Okay, so let me move these out of the way. We're going to score this 8.5 by 2 3/4 piece of designer series paper at 3 3/4 and 4 3/4. Fold on both of those score lines. And then this is what's so quick and easy about this, is you just place your treat in here like that, bring that up like that, and then use a stapler. Now you can see why this is one of my go-to projects. Okay, so we're going to be using the greeting from Tricks and Treats. So we're using this, and we're using the little stars. I'm going to use my Memento ink to stamp Trick or Treat. Right there in the middle. And then Orchid Oasis for the stars. Let's see. I'm going to take my 2-inch circle punch and cut this out. And then I'm going to cut out my decorative circle. So we're just going to attach this with a black Stampin' Dimensional, and we're going to put one on the back side of this one as well. Oh, it looks like I cut that out a little bit crooked. Okay, so let's do the ribbon first, and then we'll add that. So I'm using 2 ribbons. This is the Orchid Oasis. It'll be on your supply list. Metallic woven ribbon, and then the black and white gingham. So I'm just going to tie a bow. Okay, so let's clean up the ribbon a little bit. And for this, I like the bows to be a little bit bigger. And then we're just going to pop that on there with a mini glue dot. And then remove the backing to the dimensional, and then add that there. Okay, so see how fast that went? So you can whip out a bunch of these really quickly. Okay, the free PDF will be over on my website. And if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later.